Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore object tracking for VFX shots in After Effects, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe After Effects and import your footage. Create a new composition by dragging your footage into the new composition icon. Select the layer containing the footage you want to track. Navigate to the Tracker panel, which can be found by going to Window and selecting Tracker. Click on the Track Motion button in the Tracker panel. In the Composition panel, you will see a track point appear on your footage. Ensure the track point is placed over an area with high contrast for accurate tracking. Adjust the size of the track point by modifying the inner and outer boxes if necessary. In the Tracker panel, choose the option to enable position and rotation tracking. Click on the Play button next to the Analyze Forward option to begin tracking the footage. After tracking, review the keyframes generated in the timeline for precision. If adjustments are needed, you can manually move the track point frame by frame to correct any drift. Once satisfied, click the Edit Target button in the Tracker panel. Select the layer where you want to apply the tracking data. Confirm by clicking OK and then apply the tracking data by clicking Apply. Choose to apply the tracking data to both X and Y dimensions when prompted. Create a new solid layer to serve as the object or effect you want to track. Position the solid layer in the composition where you want it to appear in relation to your footage. If needed, mask the solid layer to fit the desired shape or area. Use keyframes on the solid layer to fine-tune its movement if desired. Preview the composition to ensure the object tracking aligns properly with your footage. Make any further adjustments in color grading or effects to enhance the final look. Render the final composition to see your VFX shot with restored object tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.